with the Lord. So my name is Janice Karani, in case you're new here. So today I want to show us how to clean the carpet by our own. Yeah, especially if you have babies. Wanapaka uchafu sana. So I use this product by the name Carpet Killer. This is a very good carpet shampoo. I've used it for quite some time, many years now, and it's a very good shampoo. I also use it to clean my seats. In another video I'll show you how so it loosens and dissolves the dirt. Yep, so I also use this Super 10. It's a very nice product. I've also used it for quite some time. It's a very good heavy duty cleaner. Still has a very good smell, so ukiosha pia inafanya carpet yako smell very nicely. Yep. So what you do, you put some amount of carpet glue in water. Yeah, considerably some amount. Then you also add some just little amount of the Super 10. Yeah, that's the Super 10. So unaweka kidogo. Yeah, and you're good to go. So what you do, you just lather the two, ndio itengeneze the foam. Yeah, so you lather for it to have good amount of foam, because the foam that we get from here is what we'll use to wash the carpet. So the good thing about this product is the moment you use the foam, carpet haitapata maji chini, the carpet won't be soaked. So the moment you throw with it, in the next 2 hours unarudisha carpet kwa nyumba and you're good to go.
Great I am, maker of the earth, praises belong, and glory we ascribe to the great I am, maker of the earth, praises belong, and glory we ascribe. We say,
so this is how you do it. You only use the foam, just spread it on the carpet so the foam dissolves all the dirt and all the dust. Yeah, so just like that, and then you use the brush to brush off all the dirt. Yeah, so let's enjoy the music as we learn here.
Hallelujah.